I left in more of the story than I usually do. This is just for a Christmas-oriented Advent of Code story. But Santa's elves are trying to wrap packages, and they have packages that are just simple boxes at length, width, and height. So the area is twice the length times width. That's going to be two sides, twice width times height, plus twice height times length. Those are going to be the 6 sides of the box. And they need extra paper, which is going to be the area of the smallest side. So if you have a present, which dimensions 2, 3 by 4, then it's going to be 2 by 3 times 2, which is 2 times 6, then 2 times, 3 times, all right, now I don't know what this 2 times 12 is. The 2 times 8 I understand. The 2 times 3, all right, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and 3 times 4. Okay, I see what they've done. It's 3. So the sides that are 2 times 3 are 6, and there's 2 of them. The sides that are 3 times 4 are 12, and there's 2 of them. And the sides that are 2 times 4 are 8, so there's 2 of them. So that gives you the square. And the smallest side is 6, so you have 6 square feet of slack. So that gives you the total. All right, and here it's 1 by 1 by 10, so the 1 by 1 is going to take 2 square feet. The 1 by 10 here is going to take 2 times 10, and the 1 by 10 here is going to take 2 times 10. So you have 20, 20, and 2, that's 42. And this smallest side is 1, so you're going to add 1 more to get 43. So that's what you got to do. And as you can see, it's not too hard, but you have to think a little bit about how to write this up. And so I don't think I'll do an example code. It's clear enough, I think. But so you're going to have to figure out the area from this data. And as usual, the data is going to be a pretty big, daunting amount of information. All these packages, you have to add them all up. And then they're going to have another one where you calculate the ribbon, figuring out how much ribbon goes around it. So that's what I wanted to show you. I encourage you to do these. They teach you a lot. Solving these story problems gives you practice, understanding something, turning it into a loop, putting it in variables, and using things like lists. Lists are almost always what I use. This kind of data right here totally needs to be put in a list is the obvious way to do it. Read this into a list, and then you can go through the list and parse each one of these. You're going to have to parse the string and find the x's, and so on. So it gives you practice in string manipulation and list manipulation and loops, and also general logic. So that's what I wanted to show you there.